On this video today, I'm going to show you a free unlimited traffic source that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is very simple, and the best part is that wherever you are, you can use it to make money from home. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. You can join OGS, Max Bounty, or any CPA network that you want. In this case, I'm going to be using CPA Group. Once you create your accounts on CPA Group and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on Tools. Once you click on Tools, you are going to select My Office. Once you select My Office, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to find an offer that you can promote. So the first thing is that you have to select a country where you can find offers to promote. In this case, you can see United Kingdom. If you don't want to select the United Kingdom, you can click on it and then select any country that you want. You can see a whole lot of different countries that you can select and then get offers to promote. As you can see, a whole lot of different countries. In this case, I'm going to be promoting an offer in the United Kingdom. So once you select the country, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down so that you can find an offer to promote. As I scroll, you can see these are different offers that you can promote to people who live in the United Kingdom. You can see a whole lot of them. This offer right here, the payout is $6.42. So you have to get people who live in the United Kingdom to enter their credit card details so that they can subscribe to Boxer Shorts, and you are going to be earning $6.42. Offers like this is difficult to get people to enter their credit card details because most people are afraid to enter their secret details online. So an offer like this, you are not going to get a lot of people. So we are going to find an offer that requires only pin submit or email and zip submit. So we are going to scroll down and then find one of the offers. So just scroll down and then find any of the offers with pin submit or email and zip code submit so that you can get people in the United Kingdom to enter those details for you to get paid. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. You can see this offer right here. This is another offer that is difficult to promote. Install and register in the BitGet app. Your potential visitors have to install the app and you are going to be paid $3.42. Most people might not like to install an app on their devices. So when you promote an offer like this, there's a likelihood that you will not get a lot of people to install the app. So you will not be earning a lot of money. So what you have to do is that just scroll down so that you can find any offer that requires pin submit or email and zip code submit. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. In this case, you can see this offer right here. Get your 500 voucher of your choice. The requirement is email and zip submit. So your potential visitors have to enter their email and then zip code, and you are going to be paid $3.16. It is easy to promote an offer like this because the requirement is very easy. So just scroll down and then find a similar offer with higher payout. You can see a whole lot of different offers, but the payout is not the same. So just scroll down and then select any of the offers. In this case, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be promoting this offer right here. This offer, the payout is $3.16. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every email submit or zip code submit that you get from the United Kingdom. So if you get people in the United Kingdom to enter those details, you are going to be paid this amount of money. Now once you have found the offer, the next step is that you are going to click on it so that you can get your affiliate link and then the image of the offer. So just click on the offer. Once you click on the offer, you can see this is your affiliate link. So you have to get people who live in the United Kingdom to click on this link and then enter their email or zip code so that you can be paid $3.16. You can see it right here. This is the title of the offer, and you can see this is the image of the offer. So this is the image that you are going to use to promote the offer so that you can get many people to click on it and then take the action for you to make money. Once you have gotten your affiliate link, the next step is that you are going to find a traffic source whereby you can get people who live in the United Kingdom to click on your link and then take the necessary action for you to get paid. The traffic source that we are going to be using today gets up to 80.2% of its traffic from the United Kingdom. So we are going to be using the right traffic source to get people who live in the United Kingdom to click on our link and then take the necessary action. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is spydeals.co.uk. So just search for spydeals.co.uk. That is the traffic source that we are going to be using. This website is one of the best websites that you can use to promote your CPA offers because a lot of people are also promoting similar products and they are getting a lot of views. You can see this offer right here. This is a giveaway. You can see a lot of different giveaways. As a school, you can see many giveaways that people have posted on this website and they are getting a lot of views. As a school, you can see many giveaways. You can give away in a lot of different categories. So when you click on the menu, you can see these are the categories that you can post a giveaway. You can see a lot of different categories. So we are going to be using this website to promote the offer so that we can get people who live in the United Kingdom to click on our link and then enter their details so that they can get access to the £500 voucher and we are going to be paid. So now what you have to do is that you have to create an account. To create an account, you are going to click right here, login. Once you click on it, you are going to select sign up so that you can sign up for a free account. Once you create your accounts and login, you can see these are the categories that you can post a giveaway. You can see a whole lot of them. They have freebies, gaming, health and beauty, home and living, case, leisure and the rest. So any of these categories that you want to post a giveaway, you can select it and then post a giveaway. In this case, we are going to post a freebie. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, share deal. Once you click on share deal, you can see what would you like to share. Select voucher. Once you select that, you can see where can you get the deal. So you are going to paste your affiliate link right here and then give a name to your voucher. So you have to go back on CPA group and then copy our affiliate link. Once you come back on CPA group, what you have to do is that you have to copy your affiliate link. So just click right here, copy link. Once you copy the link, you are going to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. The next step is that you are going to paste the title of the offer right here. So you have to come back on CPA group, highlight the title and then copy it. Once you highlight the title and copy it, you are going to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, next. Once you click on next, you can see deal information. You have to upload images of the offer. When you scroll down, you can see a lot more details that you can post about the offer. You can see a whole lot of them. So now what you have to do is that you have to go back on CPA group so that you can get an image of the offer. So you have to come back on CPA group. Once you come back, put your pointer on the image. Once you put your pointer on it, right click. Once you right click, select save images. Once that is done, click right here, save. Once you download the image, you are going to click right here, upload, so that you can upload the image. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. As you can see, this is the image of the offer. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see what is your coupon code. Just leave it. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see discount in percentage, discount in pounds, price and the rest. So you can see the price is optional, shipping is optional, free shipping, any of them. Just keep all of them because it is not a physical product. Once that is done, you can see title. You are going to paste the title of the offer right here. So you are going to come back on CPA group, highlight and copy the title of the offer. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see body. You are going to copy and paste the description of the offer right here. So you have to come back on CPA group and then highlight this. Once you highlight it, copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here the categories. You are going to select the right category of the offer. In this case, our offer is a giveaway, so what we have to do is that you have to select others. Once you select others, you are going to scroll down. You can see location, it is optional. Start date, it is optional. Expiring date, it is optional. So any of these details that you want, you can add it. In this case, we are going to leave out the location because it is not a physical product, so just leave it. The start date, you can enter any date that you want. The start date, we are going to enter today's date, so just click right here. Once you click on it, you are going to select today's date. Select that. As you can see, that has been done. The end date, we are going to click on it and then select any date that you want. Just select any date. We are going to make it limited so that people can take action. So let's say 30th of this month. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, create new deal, so that you can submit your deal. So click on it. As you can see, thank you for adding deal. It will be published after moderator review. So your deal is going to be published onto the platform and you are going to be getting people who live in the United Kingdom to click on your link and then enter the details for you to make money. As you can see, it has been added. So make sure you keep on posting different deals on this platform so that you can get people who live in the United Kingdom to click on your link and then take the action for you to make money. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.